Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are a real estate agent looking for a powerful CRM to manage leads, automate tasks, and close more deals, then this website, the Boldtrail CRM, is the perfect tool for you. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with this website. So of course, guys, what is this Boldtrail and why use it? So here guys, this website is a real estate focused customer relationship a management system designed to help agents and brokers streamline their workflow. So here's why we use it. So they have their lead management, which is to capture and organize leads efficiently, then automated follow-ups, property listings, and then email and SMS campaigns, and then team collaboration tools. So whether you are an independent agent or part of a large brokerage, this website, the CRM, help you stay organized and close deals faster. So on signing up and dashboard overview, to get started guys, you need to visit the boldtrailcrm.com and then sign up for an account so you can opt for a free trial or a paid plan based on your need. But if you're new here guys, you need to first request a demo here. So once you log in, you will see the dashboard, so which includes a lead overview. So this is a quick snapshot of your contacts, a task manager. So this is a list of upcoming appointments and follow-ups, and then a pipeline tracker. So this is visually deals in different stages, and then marketing tools, which is manage emails and then SMS campaign. So here guys, on adding and managing leads, you can click on leads in the menu and then hit add new lead and enter client details, for example the name, the email, the phone number, and then the lead source. Then you can also assign a lead status, which is either it is new, contacted, nurturing, or close. You can set follow-up reminders to stay on track guys. So here I am done booking a demo here, so let's try to explore more about this website when it comes to CRM. So on this website guys, you can also import leads from a spreadsheet or connect your CRM to external lead sources like Facebook ads, Zillow, or Realtor.com. So on automating follow-ups and task management, one of the best features of this website is its automation capabilities. So they have their automation option, and then go for follow-up workflows. There you can select a trigger event, which is, for example, new lead added, missed call, or you can also try injury receipt. So choose follow-up actions like, for example, the email or call reminders, or you can also have the SMS. And then define the schedule guys, so you can send a message immediately or after a set period. If you're done, you can save and then activate your workflow. So with these animations, you'll never miss an opportunity to engage with a potential buyer. So you can use email and SMS for your marketing tools. And then for SMS campaign guys, follow the same steps under your SMS marketing. So this is a great way to keep buyers and sellers updated about your new listings, open houses, or your market trends. So that's it. Now you know how to use this website to manage your real estate business effectively. So from lead tracking to marketing automation, this CRM has everything you need to stay organized and close more deals. And if you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon